Happy Independence Day to all of you. On this occasion of India's 75th Independence Day, we would like to celebrate freedom through skills.
Freedom in any form, whether it is physical, mental, or financial, is extremely valuable to all of us. We all strive to be free and independent throughout our life, and we feel that true independence can be achieved through the right skills and education, as they allow us to be fearless and also help us to grow as a person.
To celebrate this day, we caught up with some of the students, trainers, and professionals who believe skill-based education has helped them become independent in their lives and gave them freedom. Let's go ahead and listen to their stories in their own words.
Over these years, I have learned a lot of skills like communication skills, how to communicate with the people, and interpersonal skills, how to connect with the other people, managing time, managing money, stress management, soft skills, facilitation skills. And over these years, these skills have really helped me a lot to flourish in my career, to do well in my career, to become independent in my career, to support myself, to independently support my family, and to travel independently, travel to different locations, and so these skills have really helped me a lot in my career journey. And I'm sure it is not only helping me in this social sector, I'm also helping other like youth who are really looking forward to get independent in their life. These skills are really helping others also in their in learning new things.
My name is Sophia Begum, and currently I am working as a customer care executive with Sykes. I chose the course as a BPO course. So apart from having the knowledge from the domain session, that is my BPO session, I also acquired a lot of skills in terms of life skills or personality development. And all talking about the life skill which I learned from them is, yes, first is to maintain a positive attitude towards life. To have a positive vision, and the next thing is self-confident, to trust ourselves, managing my emotions, and a never giving attitude. That's what I learned. So now I'm currently independent.
And I'm working Tata Starbucks since 2 years. I'm a barista trainer and I'm coffee master as well. Important skill I learn in Tata Style or Starbucks is develop myself, communicate with people humbly, so means politely and genuinely, and it helped to me with connect with customers very genuinely.
I am Arun Kanagarajan. I am working in Fronius, India from past 6 years. I am a senior application engineer from South, placed in Bangalore. My total experience in welding, 15 years. In manual and robotic welding expertise in GTAW and GMLW process. I have learned the following skills from my working experience, like communication skill, communicating with different regional customer like Karnataka, Andhra, Telangana, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and working with team to resolve the problem. Creative thinking for new development activity, and positive thinking when things going wrong. And all above skills helps to visualize the upcoming challenges at customer and provide a solution.
Hi, my name is Ashish Pandey, and I have a total 10-year experience, and last 5 years I am working with Fronius. I started my career as a welder, but now I am working with Fronius as an application engineer, doing pressers, building relationship with the customer, time management or a technical skill, and definitely spoken and verbal language and presentation skill also. I attend so many trainings for developing these skills over time has made me grown in a professional life from a welder to an application engineer, and also work as a welding trainer. Along the journey, I have grown in confident that in my line of work, I can take up and solve almost all the welding challenges in the manual or automation welding.
Currently working as an application engineer at Fronius India in Pune. In application engineer, we conduct welding demonstration, conducting various training program, job through out of our customer. I am qualified as an ITI welder, having an experience of more than 50 years in welding industry. The skill I have acquired in the welding in highly focused on welding safety and robotic welding automation.
The important skills what I have acquired in life starting from NTTF could be more towards the software development. As one day I'm looking up to more of on the software architect perspective, making a decision in terms of right kind of technologies to make sure millions of transactions are processed within seconds. Personally, I picked up photography as well as stock trading, but those two things are something which I'm doing more towards the hobby, right? And if you can ask me that how the skills help me to truly become independent, so primarily with respect to software architect, where I'm able to evaluate multiple technologies and able to make a choice, one of the best out of it, and hence I'm able to explore more than one solutions to basically reach to the same destination, and that's where I'm gaining a better hand in terms of building a better architect or putting a wise choice underneath the software on the core. And this is definitely helping me to go through independent, as I'm also looking up to more from the consulting firm, consulting front to, so that I can give my value in terms of helping companies to give or make a better choice in terms of putting a right software underneath. And specifically from the stock trading perspective, where I'm looking forward more from a financial independence.
When I joined NTTF, I had no idea what I'm going to do because I was too young and I was really not sure what I'm going to do in my future. Then we came to Bangalore, we joined NTTF. Then there were categories like which department you want to go. Then I selected IT, information technology. Then I went there and it was like totally full of learning. All the totally everything was new. Coming to these things, like we learned many technical things there, like C++, Java and all those things, .NET and data science. Everything was there and I learned everything. Then many life skills also. I was too afraid before, like I never used to talk much because I was like literally, it was like some kind of fear was there, like how to talk with people. Say I'm very fearless now. Before I never used to talk to anybody because I was afraid, like if I'll tell anything to them, they'll laugh at me and I don't know if it will be good or not. I was literally so scared to talk to anybody. Finally, I got good placement from NTTF and currently I'm working for UST Global as a senior validation engineer. And now you can see it's very beautiful journey and it's going on, more to come.
Some of my skills that I acquired in the past few years include leadership, cooperation, critical thinking, confidence, and patience while honing my technical skills in cybersecurity. These skills helped me to gain a better position in the competitive job market and also helped me meet international standards to be part of some of the reputed and esteemed national and international organizations.
If I say that the skills that I acquired in my life skill is a subset of all the skills that we acquired. Specifically talking about some of the skills that I acquired is critical thinking and creative thinking. These skills plays a very vital role in an individual's life because this skills gives the ability to think in different and unusual way about the problem find a new solution to generate new ideas and information about the solutions. Second would be decision making and problem solving. These skills are very important for a student as well as the corporate officers, because these skills are required to understand the problem, find the solution about them, and take action and address them very efficiently. Third would communication and interpersonal skill. Whether it be a student, whether it be an officer, whether it be a higher sector person or a very authorized person, these skills are very important because a person succeed in their life, and these skills describe the skill needed to get on and work with the other person, particularly transfer and receive the messages. So these are the skills that I acquired in my life, and they helped me to boost myself with the demand of today's public sector.
Talking about my skills that I acquired is definitely welding, but along with that, my whole duration of training in welding has also developed some basic life skills like interpersonal skills, how to be resilient and cope with problems, and also develop enthusiasm for lifelong learning in me. And it also made me feel free and independent, because if I look 3 years back from now, I was just a studious and an introvert person, but my whole duration in welding training in CVRGU, my confidence has gotten a lot better and better, either in participation or in any event or in speaking when it is a room full of people. And I feel free to share my thoughts now, and not like before that no, I should not speak what others will think. So yes, all that fear has gone now, and everything has changed, and I am a more confident person than ever, because now I am not afraid to fail, and I'm also bit more curious to learn. And this is how process of acquiring welding as a skill has made me independent and free.
I am winner of the national skill competition, best of the best welder, IW 2019, and second prize International Arc Cup 2020. Youth in the 21st century want to be independent and self-sufficient. So this why there are the skills which help them achieve the goal and clear the path to become independent. Modern welding technology is the singular most vital bond between the development and upcoming growth virtual in between all the type of industry. In between all the type of industry, this the youngster can very well look for their career opportunity.
My name is Lue. I'm taking this electrician trade from Global Peers at Sovima. I chose this trade because I was interested and I want to be self-independent in my life. So far, I'm learning like electrical, LV wiring, and lightning fixture installation, and many more. Apart from that, I'm also learning and getting a chance of even soft skill and IT.
My name is Chapchap Renda, and I'm taking a training for assistant electrician at Sovima Village, Dimapur from Global Peers. In our training, I've learned so much of electrical internal house wiring, assembling and installing temporary LV electrical panels, and more. And besides electrical knowledge, I'm also learning soft skills and IT. The reason why I have taken this electrician training is because I want to be self-independent and confident to stand on my own feet and to help my family back home with my skills in any way.
मेरा नाम है तुषी और मैं ग्लोबल पीयर्स सुबीमा नागालैंड में परपेंडिकुलर का ट्रेनिंग ले रहा है। परपेंडिकुलर का ट्रेनिंग IPHO सीख रहे हैं, ट्रेनर्स लोग इतना अच्छा सीख रहे हैं। हम लोग घर पाने जैसे में क्या चीज़ लगता है और सब कुछ सीख पा रहे हैं, और हम इतना खुश होकर इतना सब कुछ सीख पा रहे हैं, जो कि मैं एक सीख पाल कर मैं भी इतना हम लोग सब के लिए हम कोशिश कर हम सब लोग मिलकर काम करने के लिए परपेंडिकुलर का ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं। और यहाँ पे सब स्किल और ITP सीख पा रहे हैं। सब स्किल्स जो है अंग्रेजी से हम लोग कितना आदमी को बात करने के लिए, किससे रहने के लिए, वो सब कुछ सीख पा रहे हैं। और IT में जो है हम लोग कभी कभी हम लोग जो काम होने से कंप्यूटर से करने के लिए वो सब कुछ सीख पा रहे हैं। और मैं यहाँ आकर इतना कुछ से रह कर है, ट्रेनर्स लोग इतना अच्छा आदमी है, हम लोग इतना से अच्छा से सीख पा रहे हैं, तो मैं इतना कुछ से यहाँ रह रहे हैं। और मैं कब ये ट्रेनिंग खत्म होगा, मैं खुद मेरा बियर से खड़ा होकर माँ पिताजी को देखभाल करने के लिए मैं ये सीख रहे हैं।
My name is Siu Kolia. Here I'm learning assistant electrician from Global Peers at Sovima, Dimapur. I'm learning electrical LV wiring and lighting fixture installation and many more. Besides this, I'm also learning about soft skill and IT. I've taken this trade as I want to be independent in my life and to look after my family. Thank you.
I am working in OPT cell as a technician in electrical. I would like to share my personal view. Whatever skill I have acquired in my life and implement it day-to-day life. The skills are like climbing high voltage transmission line tower and repairing all type of electrical equipment, fault find out in electrical circuits, wiring in electrical equipment. The skills help me become independent, self-dependent and feel free. Now I am feeling proud to be an employee of OPTC.
We are celebrating 75th Independence Day to showcase development, progress and policy over the year. Our government at Cuttack has established an HFX STEM and Tinkering Lab where I am learning robotics, microcontroller programming, Arduino programming and IoT home automation system apart from my syllabus. During these 2 years in Government IT Cuttack, my perseverance of learning new things will definitely help me for my bright future. This has also developed my creativity skill to innovate new electronics equipment. Using this creativity skill, I can start my own business independently.
It's my pleasure that we are celebrating 75th Independence Day to showcase development, progress and policy this year. In our trade, we have learned about so many trades. Our government IT Cuttack has established CNC lab where we have learned about so many trades. And this helps us to know about various trades. And this gives me the confidence to where I work, I can do the work properly. And in second year, I learned about quality engineering. And in this trade, I learned about so many types of measurements. And this will help me to do the work correctly. And in ES, I learn about my character strengths and I try to do the best. And my character strengths are honesty and discipline. And here I learned about teamwork. And I know that in teamwork there is no independent choice. But I will definitely try to do my best where I work.
मैं अभी अच्छी जॉब कर रही हूँ और मैं एक हाउसवाइफ थी, सिंपली एक हाउसवाइफ। अभी मैं जॉब कर रही हूँ, मैं खुद का काम कर रही हूँ। तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ क्योंकि मैं कुछ भी नहीं थी, मैं जीरो में थी। और जैसे मैं लेवल नेट ट्रेनिंग सेंटर में मैंने ट्रेनिंग लिया और मेरा कोर्स पूरा हुआ, तो मैंने इंटर्नशिप लिया मैम, और इंटर्नशिप में भी मैंने बहुत अच्छी, मेरा फीडबैक बहुत ही अच्छी थी, और मैं और हर क्लाइंट को मैं हैंडलिंग कर सकती हूँ अभी मैम।
मेरा नाम सुजित कुमार नायक है। मैं उड़ीसा में आया, उड़ीसा में देखा जो आई मित्र का इसमें ज्वाइनिंग हुआ, तो ज्वाइनिंग हुआ मुझे विजन टेस्टिंग भी मालूम हुआ, और उसके ऊपर काटिंग फिटिंग और लोगों से कैसे बातचीत करना वो सभी मालूम हुआ। और बाद में मैं अपना खुद का शॉप किया हूँ, तो उससे मैं अपना घर चला रहा हूँ।
यहाँ पर मैं फेशियल, हेयर कट, मैनिक्योर, पेडिक्योर, हेयर स्पा बहुत कुछ सीखी मैम। यहाँ पर मेरा क्लाइंट के संग कैसे बातचीत करते हैं वो सीखे पाई हूँ मैम। खुद में सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट मैं हूँ मैम।
Well, my name is Tukmaya Taman. I'm from second canto. मुझे कुछ करना था लाइफ में, मतलब मुझे ग्रोन अप होना था, तो ये कि मम्मी पापा को देखना है, तो मैंने उसके बाद मैंने फेशियल, मैनिक्योर, पेडिक्योर, हेयर स्टाइलिंग वगैरह सब कुछ सीखा कि फाइनली मैं अभी यहाँ पे केरला में हूँ, केरला कोलम में। यहाँ पे अभी सब सही है कि मैं अभी ये है कि मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँ मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ। ये नहीं कि किसी के आगे डिपेंड होना नहीं रहना है। मैं कुछ जहाँ भी जाऊँ मैं खुद कर सकती हूँ ये जॉब।
और मैंने यहाँ इस फाउंडेशन में 2 ईयर का टेक्नीशियन कोर्स किया है फिटर मैकेनिकल में, और मेरे को यहाँ पे ड्रिलिंग, टैपिंग, वेल्डिंग, ग्राइंडिंग सब सीखने को मिला है, और बहुत अच्छा सिखाते हैं। और इधर मेरे का 2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस बाद मैंने यहाँ अभी ट्रेनिंग में ज्वाइन हुआ हूँ। 1 ईयर का ट्रेनिंग है, और ट्रेनिंग में भी बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, जैसा हाइड्रोलिक पाइपिंग, ग्राइंडिंग, ड्रिलिंग सब सीखने को मिलता है। और मेरी सैलरी भी 6,000 है, और घर वालों से पैसे मांगने नहीं पड़ते, खुद अपने पाँव पे खड़ा हो सकता हूँ, और मैं एक इंडिपेंडेंट बन गया हूँ।
Hi guys, I'm Ankita H. Anudeep Foundation helped me developing skills. Through this, I have become more confident and self-dependent. It also gives me freedom for livelihood, and yeah, I'm grateful for this.
Hi, I'm Abdul. I have completed graphics design course from Anudeep Foundation. Thank you so much, Anudeep, to guide me to get a job or start a new startup as an entrepreneur. Thank you so much. It opened up a new roads towards my career. I feel more freedom, more independent to choose my career. I can choose like a job or entrepreneurship to live my livelihood.
This is Madhumita De, a proud student of Anudeep Foundation. I had joined here for a skill development program. My journey so far was fabulous, wherein today I am a confident, independent and working woman. All this is because of the skills I have learned throughout my journey. This helps me to achieve financial freedom as well as to make my own decisions. I am really grateful to Anudeep Foundation for this.
Janagana mana adhinayak jaya he Bharat bhagya vikata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Rajendra Uchala Ganga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Uchala Chala Chitaranga Tavashbana Vijage Tavashbana Shishamage Jaye Java Jaya Tata Janagana Mangala Dayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Jaya He Jaya He Jaya He Jaya 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 He